Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to find your Cashtag on Cash App. To get started, open the Cash App on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in. Once you're on the home screen of the app, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This icon will take you to your account settings page. On this page, you will see various details about your Cash App account. Look closely and you will find a section displaying your Cashtag. It will have a dollar symbol in front of it. For example, if your Cashtag is $sample name, that is the identifier you provide to others. Your Cashtag is unique to your account and is used for receiving payments. If someone asks you for your Cashtag to send you money, make sure to provide them with this identifier, not your username. That's it. That's how you can solve how to find your Cashtag on Cash App. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.